Looking for the best, they're truly worth your money? In today's video, I've selected the top 5 best air compressor available in the market right now based on quality, performance, and real customer reviews. To save you time, I've added the latest prices and product links in the description below. Let's get started, starting with our first pick, Olahike Air Compressor. This portable tire inflator delivers impressive practicality and speed, making it a strong roadside and travel essential. With a rapid inflation boost of plus 5 psi in just 2.2 minutes, it handles everyday top-ups efficiently across cars, SUVs, light pickups, up to 51 psi, motorcycles, bicycles, and even sports balls. Its dual power system is a standout feature. Use it cordlessly via the 6,000 mAh rechargeable battery for complete mobility, or plug into a 12V car outlet for uninterrupted operation during longer tasks. The battery performance is solid, capable of multiple tire top-ups per charge, while the USB output adds emergency phone charging convenience. A bright dual LED display with accurate pressure sensing and auto shutoff ensures precise inflation without overfilling. Combined with preset modes for different inflatables, is highly user-friendly. Next up, we have Astro AI Air Compressor. This compact tire inflator stands out for its high-precision performance and smart usability, making it ideal for everyday drivers and road trip enthusiasts. Its advanced pressure sensing system collects data at an impressive 200 readings per second with over 80% valid accuracy, significantly above market averages, ensuring highly reliable tire pressure readings for safer driving and maintenance. Despite its small size, under 1 pound, it delivers strong performance with a 150 psi max capacity, capable of inflating a standard car tire, 195/65 R15, from 30 to 36 psi in just 1.5 minutes. The 4,000 mAh battery supports inflating up to 8 tires per charge, while auto shutoff and preset modes add convenience and prevent overinflation. With 4+N smart modes and multiple unit options, PSI, bar, KPA, kg/cm superscript 2, it is highly adaptable. Lightweight, fast, and precise, it is both a practical emergency tool and a thoughtful gift for drivers. In at number 3, DeWalt Air Compressor. This tire inflator offers exceptional versatility with 3 power options: 20V max battery, 12V DC car connection, and 110V AC household power, making it suitable for home, garage, and roadside use. Its flexible power system ensures you're never left without inflation capability, whether traveling or working indoors. The built-in onboard accessory storage adds practical convenience, keeping nozzles and cables neatly organized and easy to access. Heavy-duty rubber feet enhance stability during operation, significantly reducing movement or walking while inflating tires, which improves both safety and comfort. Designed as a reliable car, bike, and general-purpose digital tire inflator, it delivers consistent performance for everyday maintenance and emergencies. The integrated pressure gauge ensures accurate readings for precise inflation control, helping prevent under or overinflation. Now, at number 4, Airmoto Air Compressor. This Airmoto portable tire inflator is a compact yet highly capable solution for everyday tire maintenance and emergency use. Built with durable materials and rated up to 120 psi, it delivers fast and accurate inflation for cars, trucks, SUVs, motorcycles, and bicycles, making it a versatile roadside essential. Its standout feature is the intelligent auto shutoff system, allowing users to preset the desired pressure and walk away confidently while the pump stops exactly at the target level. The clear LCD display, multi-unit switching, PSI, KPA, bar, kg/cm, and built-in LED flashlight enhance usability in all conditions, including nighttime emergencies. Powered by a 2,000 mAh rechargeable battery, it remains portable and glove box friendly, though performance may vary depending on tire size and temperature. With multiple valve adapters and a built-in deflate function, it supports a wide range of inflatable. And finally, our last pick, Eatonwolf Air Compressor. The Eatonwolf Vortex S6 is a heavy-duty, cordless air compressor built for serious performance, especially for pickups, trucks, and off-road vehicles, while still supporting cars, bicycles, and recreational inflatables, excluding SUPs. Its ultra-fast inflation capability is a major highlight, delivering 1.5 CFM, 42 liters per minute at 0 psi, and inflating a 31-inch tire from 30 to 35 psi in just about 1 minute, with strong accuracy of plus or minus 1 psi and a maximum pressure of 160 psi. Powered by a massive 19,200 milliamp hours lithium battery, it can handle up to 18 full tire top-ups on a single charge, making it highly reliable for long trips or emergency situations. The inclusion of USB-C 45W dual-direction fast charging adds extra practicality by allowing fast recharging and device charging. With a 100% duty cycle, dual-cylinder design, and advanced cooling system, it supports continuous use without overheating. So those are the top 5 best you can buy right now. If this video helped you choose the right product faster and easier, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more honest product reviews. Remember, all the product links with updated prices are in the description below. Thanks for watching.